And model of your bike.
Sure. So this is a 2004 Vulcan 2000. Made by
Okay.
Kawasaki.
When did you get it?
I got it in 2005.
2000. Did you buy it brand new, used, or what?
So this is my first bike I ever bought, brand new, off the lot, and riding a 2053cc motorcycle off the lot as your first motorcycle is
It's a big challenge.
an adventure.
It's an adventure by itself. That's correct. Yes. So, are you planning on keeping this bike for a long time, or trading it in after your experience with this bike?
Well, it's been paid off for quite some time. It just turned 20 years old this year. I think I've got about 40,000 miles on it. So
Yeah.
it's probably a collectible. The only other one that I've seen was in Jay Leno's garage.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So that means you're definitely not planning on selling it, right? I would imagine, right?
Except with the right price. The only modifications I've put on it is a blower and the pipes.
Yeah, I see you've kept the bike in really good condition.
Yeah, I ride it all the time, so
Are you like a highway rider, back street, or anything and everything?
everything and anything.
Okay.
The only thing is I made a deal with my wife not to ride in the snow.
Ah, of course, of course, of course. Does she, do you take her as a passenger too?
Nope.
She's never been? No?
She's gone twice in 20 years.
She's gone twice in 20 years. Okay. Cool. Well,